Xiaoga accidentally found a milk kitten. Its eyes were closed, its body cold. It looked lifeless. Xiaoga's heart broke. Is it dead? He wondered. But seeing this tiny, fragile life, he hesitated. They say cats have 9 lives. Maybe this one still had a chance. Determined not to give up, Xiaoga began chest compressions, trying to resuscitate it. Minutes passed. The kitten didn't move. His hands went numb, but he refused to stop. Then, just barely, he saw the kitten's tongue twitch. A spark of hope. Xiaoga worked faster, harder. Still, the kitten showed no response. Eventually, even Xiaoga began to lose hope. Looking at this helpless little life, he thought maybe it was too late. But just maybe, the kitten heard his voice. Maybe it felt his determination. After more than 2 hours, miraculously, the kitten's body began to soften. Still unconscious, the kitten needed help. Xiaoga rushed to buy pet medicine and grape sugar to boost its energy. Slowly, its strength returned. Its little body warmed up. Day by day, its spirit brightened. The couple feared it might catch a cold, so they made a warm cushion. One day, the kitten stood up on its own. Its tiny meows filled the room. They were overjoyed. Xiaoga and his wife had saved a life. They decided to adopt him and named him 8. Though one of his 9 lives might be gone, Xiaoga promised he'd protect the remaining 8 with all his heart.